Evening, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Got another sponsor in. It's a pretty good product, actually. I didn't know it existed on all the RVs I worked on. Never saw one. I'm thinking, that's a good idea. So let me turn. It's called the Blue Streak Automatic Chemical Metering Dispensing Kit for RV and Marine Toilets. It's kind of like Tidy Bowl. All right. So it does a couple things, folks. It not only just, gets rid of the smell, like you put the blue packets down there or orange or whatever. It's automatic every time you flush your toilet. Well, one, it gets rid of the smell and controls the odors. Two, it also, the chemical composition, staglites, all the chemicals that are down in your black tank, it helps them get off the wall and cleans your tank up eventually. And the third one, it lubricates your rubber parts. Now, some of you know that you can buy a chemical and you pour it down in your tank and it kind of lubricates your valves, your black valve and all. This is mainly for the black tank. So I'm going to be it's called an open box video. He sponsored me for it and he sent it to me. I'll be putting it in my RV. Like I said, I never seen one, but I saw him. He was an RV tech too. He's out of Michigan, I think. Let me see. Let me put you on pause. All right. Blue Streak Limited Liability Company, 904 North College Road, Mason, Michigan, 48854. And that's his telephone number. Just tell him Jeff from RV Diagnostics sent you there. All right, that's where I live. And that's where I live. There you go. Same one. There we go. All right, so let's do it. We open the box up, right? Here's your hose clamps. Okay, stainless steel hose clamps. Got some screws, got some pipe. Okay, let's get it out. There's the unit that goes on the wall. All right, let's see here. I'm going to put it on pause, get it apart. All right, so we're back. All right, so this is the container, right? You got 3 screw positions that you can put it on your wall. You fill it up with that Blue Streak chemical. Remember, it does a lot of things. It does 3 basic things. 1, it deodorizes to keep the stains out of your bowl. 2, it lubricates the rubber seals. 1 in the toilet bowl itself, and the gate valve down below, the Velveeta valve or whatever one you got, the black tank valve. It slides back and in and out with the T-handle. Some of you have power. So this goes on the wall. This is how you shut it off or distribute it. And this goes in. It's a flush system. See it? It's got an orifice tube in it. So this goes where you're in the hose that... Them 2 cats ain't getting along. So it goes in the water line, see? And every time you flush it, it's after the flush valve. So every time you flush it, the pressure in the tank, it siphons it out, okay? So here's the stainless steel connectors. And then once you get it mounted and all, you make it look nice, right? So, and it's got a little indicator, right? Got a little indicator here so you can see the level. Basically, folks, this is damn near bulletproof. I mean, there ain't much to go wrong. So, there you go. Cleans and deodorizes. Pleasant baby powder aroma. Blue Streak chemical. Carefully measured each time, so you use precise. He's saying that bottle right there lasts about 300 flushes. Environmentally friendly. There's no formaldehyde for y'all that do that. Remember, it does a lot of things. It's got the flush line, the 3/4 hose clamp, the flow direction arrow. That's that. Right. Valve stem and metering tip. 3/8 hose clamp, chemical metering tube. All right, so there it is. It lubricates and all. Well, I'm kind of excited about it. It's pretty. I forgot what it goes for. I'll do that on the second video, the price and all. But sometimes what we buy for RV, it's not about the price, it's about the convenience. You all know that the black tank has to be taken care of, so why not take care of it every time you flush it? All right. I don't know. I'm going to look into if he's got other smells. Like this is the baby powder, fresh. So maybe he has something else. I don't know. Maybe he has gear oil smell. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just joking. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, with another open box video and sponsor from Blue Streak, the compatible to tidy bowl that you put in your bowl. All right. And the other good thing about this, it's made in the USA. He's out of Michigan. I gave you the address, his name, and the telephone number. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'll be doing a second video of the install. They're not happy with each other. Look at that. That's fancy right there. And that's Simba too. All right. Once again, I'm out of here. Thank you very much for listening to me. What's the motto? You're right. Test, not guess. Safe travels, may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Maybe here in the RV Diagnostics School and Garage. Maybe at a fueling station. Maybe you're getting gas, I'm getting diesel. Right? Or if I see you on the road, I got diesel pushers, so I'll blow my air horn. Or I might meet you at the campground, folks. I've been meeting a lot of y'all at the campgrounds. It's pretty interesting. All right. Once again, take care.